Bema a friend Ichi, ni di kankaza di Jude, ni a friend Ichi. Ichi no di ni juma ewo Ingirisi abrochimem or hima Lizzy Chrome. Ichi na no pay. Me sorry I devotion we ya bompa in we na me so me nko 10 times say dey na ekoso. Mo fa senya sa na e no. Aha, nti me content town so no. Na Ichi akofa Japan for intercourse e bibi abeto ka say ai enche bia Japan for no ombekọ animu nti wei na ebo maso na me say no say Ichi be ma no akofa Japan for kwehwe no mu si possible no na cohesion team dynamics wei high school games o park ni say na esi ye papa na Japan for pia ball no teamwork edem go wow me hu ye no manage said look just look at the cohesion teamwork and hard work. Look, what Ankasa say, the quality involved in what they are doing, I was through. Yeah, they here abro any bay na say be Jimmy Kakata to. Into a park head bono. Bones a baba yara crew ya no and ya abuse no. E be bo prempe, e be bo armed forces into yen documenting ye po. So what I say. Now mum, the technical quality 15-16 years for we or Japan high school games.
High school games.
Oh, inter schools and colleges, no Japan for the more. Now you see the emphasis on the development of their technical quality. Born on more man who teamwork, honesty, hard work, edumading. Now where Japan for the yeah will be waha. Now so you better say school for them cover 15-16 years from now. Most will be at year 2008. No, I control BC for now. Papa ni obon crown born nibi. Yeah, they higher. Na wadama me da say. We kofa nkomo bi a me ni obi di here. I check akra. I need to go after it. So Japan flag na mama me bi. Japan East Asian. Now a more minor flag na nkasa. I think the Japanese flag itself white
bi as a red be them sir.
Yeah. Now Japan for a national flag no. A symbol. Sa red ne dem no. Area.
Oh, okay.
Into Japan ankasa no edini Japan. Babrofu mu no ye free Japan, the land of the rising sun.
Oh, okay.
Area ni pi na beto so.
Anini.
So Japan as a channel.
Japan as a channel
of the rising sun. Japan no football no. Ni ohwe so no the Japanese Football Association yet somewhere in 1921. When you read about Pacific studies and Southeast Asia studies especially, there is something significant about Japan any area. This is Japan Football Association. Omo crest. Yeah, the any football be saan around be down. Now who say a raven bed anoma?
Yes.
The Nayemiansa, and yes, sir.
The Nayemiansa.
A mythical raven bed. The Nancy sa Rihanna Eda omo flag no. And I'm who Japan, if you know Omo crest. Now, this raven bird is called Yatagarasu.
What is it?
Yatagarasu. Now, Yatagarasu, no, he is very symbolic of the entire state for football. In South Pacific Asia and Southeast Asia studies, no, Japan historically, your mpenyumfu amudiso. Yes, how from emperor.
Yes.
Now, one of the founding emperors of Japan, Nipa Ejidi said Japan ochiche between 585 and 660 BC, Emperor Jimmu. Now, Japan minor ankasa no, omo pilgrimage and asa akontu ye omutu. Nti Ghana ayo festival be friend akontu kese.
Yes.
Japan for no, sa pilgrimage no. It was made by Emperor Jimmu to Mount Kumano, one of the big peninsulas in Japan. Okono. Now no ma Yatagarasu no and the bonne ho baya no di na chia or chere no kwan.
Wow.
In their mythical studies. As if that is not enough. Oko Japan was Shinto goddess bi o ha. I friend the supreme Shinto goddess. The friend Amaterasu. Ne bofo kan ene sa anoma Yatagarasu yi. We pass over the one de eken. Anybody involved in Japan's football is a messenger of the state, just like this bird.
Wow.
Intina Japan for no ball abontia. Musa we are no more CC dressing room. Look, the sun must always rise wherever they go. Every pure. Now, anybody involved in Japan's football, as a player, as a coach, as an FA official, you are a messenger cast in the shape of Yatagarasu.
Wow. Wow.
Japan football has been chronicled systematically. Now, the Japanese FA, more national academies are more running in the provinces. You have the Fukushima Academy, FA in the Hresel. You have the Sakai Academy, FA in the Hresel. You have Imabari Academy, FA in the Hresel. You have Kumano to Ukai, representing the Kumano I just mentioned.
Yeah.
The pilgrimage. Now, this is what they do. You have J League now,
yeah, Japan League,
Good. You have J3, you have J2, and you have J1. J3 na jumane say nkrana mo hwe omo ho no omo mfa omo school. Put them into the academies, let them play for the J3 clubs. Omo free ho. J2 for no madwuma ne say omo befa sa J3 for no nkra no. Na omo mia e wo J2 no ma ye de akọ J1, the Japanese league. Now when you play in the Japanese league, the idea is to sell you, export you to Europe, and now provide entertainment and signs for the people of Japan.
Wow.
And feeder upon feeder upon feeder. J1, 20 clubs. J2, 20 clubs. J3, 20 clubs. And on more regional leagues, clubs are near 137.
Yo, Mate, come over there, China.